Hi, I'm Rinzing Denzongpa and subscribe to Siddharth Kanan on YouTube right now.
Hi, I'm Malvika Raj and please subscribe to Siddharth Kanan on YouTube right now.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं नीलेश सहाय और सभी दर्शकों को ये कहूंगा कि सिद्धार्थ कनन मेरे भाई हैं और उनका शो कमाल का है। सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और हैप्पी दिवाली आप सबको।
Hollywood action, here comes Indian action. Squad की team, producer, writer, director Nilesh Sahai के लिए तालियां. Of course, इनको पहली बार हम लोग ने देखा था of K3G. Now a lady who's so gorgeous और क्या मार धाड़ करती है. Malavika Raj, how's it going?
All good, all good. Thank you so much for having us at your show.
And another person जो अब debut कर रहा है style में with a cold-blooded look. Rinzing Denzongpa, my brother, welcome to the movies.
Thank you, man.
Rinzing, I really want to say, मैं बहुत साल से तुम्हें देखते आया हूँ. Tiger is like a younger brother to me. तुम भी Tiger के best friend हो. Do you finally pinch yourself and give yourself a flying kissy and say, boss, अब मैं आ गया हूँ screen पर. Is it a sign of relief? What is going on your mind right now?
You know, I'm just happy that the movie is finally out, you know, even though we shot in the peak of Corona. So I'm just happy that we were able to finish it. And you've seen the trailer by now, I hope. So you know the hard work, the blood, the sweat, the tears that have gone into the movie and into the process of making the movie. So I just hope you guys enjoy it a lot.
So like we say, everybody do this. Give me a victory wave like this for Rinzing to welcome into the movies, yeah? Malavika, I know तुम्हारे पर ये छाप है बचपन से ही, Pooh of K3G. तुम जहां भी जाओगे, तुम चाहे जो भी करो, even if you're jumping from mountain to a mountain, लोग तुम्हें सिर्फ उसी के लिए याद करेंगे. Do you think it's going to be tough to उस image को overshadow करके अब ये करना?
Honestly, this is totally different from what that was. वो जो किया 20 साल पुरानी बात है अभी. लेकिन this is it's a very different debut. This is like you won't really find a girl doing action as how I am doing in this film. So I hope लोग उसे overcome करके अभी आर्या को like पसंद करें और ऐसे याद करें.
नीलेश भाई,
जी
एक
भाई,
जमाने में तुम खुद एक एक्टर थे, पर ये मुझे बताओ कि कभी कभार लगता है कि यार मैं खुद एक एक्टर रहा हूं, मुझे भी एक्टिंग करनी चाहिए थी इस फिल्म में?
नहीं, एक बार भी नहीं लगा कि मुझे भी एक्टिंग करनी चाहिए.
क्या बात है रिंजिंग, ये रोल के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए तुम्हें क्या क्या पापड़ बेलने पड़े? what things did you have to do? Did you break your back? Did you break your arms? Did you break your leg? What did you do to prepare for this role, my friend?
I mean, thank God, but it was during the first schedule that we'd gone to Belarus. My knee did pop out, but that was on the second last day of shoot. So almost everything else was done. So I had a break for like around 1.5, 2 months before the next schedule. So I was limping around set for some songs and it was a lot of fun. It was a good experience.
मालविका, क्योंकि आपने एक बहुत कटिंग एज रोल किया है, आप ऑब्वियसली बचपन से ही करण जौहर के साथ आपने काम किया. डिड यू कॉल योर फर्स्ट मेंटर एंड से, यू नो करण, मैं एक फिल्म कर रही हूं, मुझे क्या क्या चीजें ध्यान रखनी चाहिए? डिड करण once again guide you, give you some tips or not?
So I had sent him a message when my first announcement happened that I'm going to be doing this film. I had sent him a video. I sent him a picture of the article that came. So he just blessed me and said, all the best and start off your career. And he's always been very sweet. So
Nilesh,
जी सर.
John Abraham swears by you, Nilesh. वो
Yes.
सेट्स पे भी आए थे. तुम्हारी दोस्ती जॉन इब्राहिम के साथ इतनी गहरी है. तुम्हारा बर्थडे होता है, जॉन puts it on social media. ये
जी.
जॉन के साथ कैसे और कब शुरू हुआ?
John Abraham is one of those people जहाँ मैं बोलूँ कि he's so close to my heart, it's unbelievable, and he's a friend, a brother, he's family.
जब भी मैं तुमको देखता हूँ, you have this most beautiful bond with Tiger. You're like best friends from childhood. Tell me about some of those emotional moments or brotherhood moments with Tiger that you can never forget.
There's too many to count. But just for example, right now, just before, like after signing the movie, before first day of shoot, before my first interview. You know, it's nice to talk to someone, and he's experienced this already a couple of years ago before me. So it's just good to talk to him about those kind of things. And the rest is all just too silly to mention.
No, but it's okay. But tell me, what did Tiger tell you? क्योंकि वो भी खुद debut किया हुआ है. He's also come from a background which has seen a lot of movies like you have through Danny Denzone by your father. So उसने क्या कहा एक बात which has stayed in your heart, it stayed in your mind, it stayed in your soul?
Just said, work hard, do the work, and then everything else has been done otherwise, by you. Make sure everything is done at your best, so that you don't have to worry about it later. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. But you know mentally that you have done everything you could. That's one of the things.
Has he ever criticized you and said, you know what, this is something you could have done better, Rinzing?
He's not seen much. He's not seen much yet. Nilo has been very
secretive.
What do you call it? How do I say
Protective.
Protective about the movie and small bits and everything. So yeah, he's not got to see too much, but he saw the trailer some time ago, before, not the final mix, but he did like it. So I just can't wait to see the movie now.
For one thing everyone says is, one person that Tiger will take a bullet for is Rinzing. Is that vice versa as well?
Of course. We'll take many bullets. We'll block them with the shields.
Oh.
And then beat those guys.
Let's give a fist pump to Brotherhood. Come on. Pump it up. Whoa. कहा जाता है कि Rinzing is a very shy boy, all right? I say boy because, brother, I'm a little older than you, just a little.
That's all good. Age is just a number.
हाँ, तो मुझे बताओ कि क्या वो उतना shy genuinely है, Malavika? How did you break the ice with Rinzing?
Honestly, I didn't really have to break the ice with him because we've known each other since we're kids, since childhood. So I think our first day only we were fine. We didn't have that that awkwardness or nothing like that. That never happened. Rinzing made me always feel very comfortable, and I hope I did the same with him too.
Yes.
तो तुम लोग childhood friends हो, अपने childhood कारनामे बोलो. Have you seen Rinzing throw a tantrum? Tell me all that. Give me the goss on Rinzing.
More than childhood, I think I've seen him throwing tantrums now during the process.
He's in the other room. I'm gonna have to go there and cover him out. She's right opposite me.
Come on, Malavika, give it to me. Come on, tell me.
I have so many stories, but I'm scared of him right now to say
No.
anything. The next punch will come on my face. And after seeing the trailer, I'm more scared. I'm sure you know how.
I've got bigger muscles than Rinzing, okay? Tell me one story. I really want to know. Come on, Malavika. Nilesh, tell her, yeah. Ek story batao.
Yeah. Ek story bata do.
Okay, so I'll say one story. Rinz, I'm going for it, huh?
Which one?
No.
There's many.
Oh, no, one.
Rinzing, behave yourself, brother. I'm older than you. Quiet now. Malavika,
I'm going mute.
So Rinzing gets very angry for the most silliest things, okay? And on set, when he's angry, you have to be quiet and leave him alone. So one of the days, one of his friends left his watch in his room, and Rinzing got really angry because he needed that for continuity.
I left my watch. My friend is he's a good friend and he bore the brunt of my petty anger. But yes,
so
he knows
let me say the more fun part now. So as you know, there's a small kid in the film too, like a 6-year-old child. So she was sitting, we had Rinzing, me, and she had a shot together. And she was sitting next to me. They were just setting up the full shot. And Rinz realizes that his friend has not yet gone to get him the watch. So for something like this, he got so angry. He got up and he punched the wall, and the wall cracked. Like there was a hole in the wall. And looking at that, the child literally, she jumped on my lap. She got so scared looking at him. And the next shot was Rinzing carrying her. She was so petrified of him that day that I had to tell her, I'd hug her and go no, don't worry. He's very sweet. But again, his anger lasts him only for like a minute. That's it. The next minute, he's smiling and all happy. So,
So tell me, in all these years, despite playing the young Pooh, you've never met Kareena all these years.
she had come one day on set on the first day of my shoot, and that's it. She just saw me from far, and I saw her from far. I remember she had come after the sets of Ashoka because she had all of that makeup on. But no, I've never met her. I've never been bumped into her anywhere.
My
She's
God,
always,
Nilesh,
she always used to be in the gym, so that's where I used to bump into her in Sefsa.
yeah.
I don't think I went to the same
This
gym
freaks
there.
as well.
Which gym
bhai,
was this?
Rinzing,
I
what you
think
need to
it
do
is-
is you need to get her to meet Kareena Kapoor, yeah, Rinzing.
Yeah.
I have to take her to the gym one day, then maybe we can bump into Kareena, man.
Hey, Nilesh,
हाँ जी।
yeah, you are Sanjay Dutt's nephew.
हाँ जी।
संजय दत्त के साथ उनकी जर्नी देखकर
Hmm.
what are the things maybe he said to you या फिर certain things you've just watched him and learned, वो क्या था यार?
Certain things he sent to me and certain things my journey, Siddharth, bro, it's been, he's been very influential in a lot of ways. Sanju Mama is a great person and we have a great equation.
Wow, that means भले you had an uncle to ask for advice, तुमने अपने बलबूते पे किया, right?
नहीं, क्या होता है ना, ब्रो, बात सिंपल है. सक्सेस और फेलियर जो एक चीज होती है ना, उसमें एक लाइन बड़ी सिंपल होती है कि सक्सेस के 200-300 बाप होते हैं, फेलियर का एक अनाथ है. ठीक है, तो जब मुझे कुछ करना था, मैंने बोला यार मेरा इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पे लाई करता, मेरा इंटरेस्ट एक्शन में, एंड मेरी वो जर्नी वहां से शुरू हुई, where I formed an action portal, and that's how my friendship with John happened, and John was very instrumental in my life in a lot of ways. Sanju Mama is amazing. I love him. I'm a lot like him in my mannerisms, but advice point of view, say, nahi, I'm not, because I've been here for a long time now, Baba. I'm well versed with the system well within. So he's awesome. I mean, I'm 39 years old today. तो अभी जाके advice ये होने पूछूंगा तो फिर लाना था मुझे.
Acha, Rinzing, we know the fact that your father is one of the greatest actors ever in the Indian film industry, Danny sir. And when he used to play a villain, मेरी तो फट जाती थी भाई. Mane, literally, and sharp looking man, always fit. Tell me some memory जब तुम उनके साथ sets पे गए थे. Do you have any memory of any film that you went on and it's been everlasting?
There's too many to count because again, when I was younger, Dad was obviously full on working a lot more. He's not like as he's chilling right now, but there's so many incidents. I just remember one time I was young and there used to be those revolvers around, for the movie props. I used to just steal one from him, run around, and I was a kid, so you have to take naps as well, right? Mid-shoot, I'd take a nap, sleeping with a gun. There's photos of me with that. Then also there was a time when I was a kid, I was standing here like this, and there was like a cage or something. I didn't know it was a cage, and it was draped. There was like just cloth draped on top of it. I could hear some breathing. So I was like, okay. I looked like that. Then suddenly someone just did this. And there were like lions inside the cage because he was shooting for a movie and they needed some lions apparently. So I didn't know, I was so close to getting like, maybe even swiped at. But yeah, that was one of those memories that's in my head right now.
But Bolo, I was expecting you in films a lot earlier, Rinzing. I've been told, I've been keeping a tab on you. You're a hardworking guy. You're very balanced. In fact, like I told you, Tiger's like my younger brother. So both of you are very similar as people. Both of you are very understated. Both of you are not caught with the glamour of the industry. And I respect you for it, Rinzing. I really do, brother. Why did it take you a longer time to get your first film? Was it a struggle? Tell me honestly.
It took quite a lot of time because I think one of the first movie offers that I got was when I was around 18. But my dad didn't tell me that there was an offer. So I went off to London and I studied. When I came back, he told me that there was an offer that I missed out on. But I was like, fine, I had a lovely experience. And after that, we got beer factories as well. So I started, I had to learn family business as well. But took me a time. And, once I met Nilesh, I just knew for certain that the product that both of us are going to shell out or give out is going to be top notch. And I know he knows his action. So that made me a lot more confident as well. And just his knowledge about this genre.
Okay, tell me, I want to really know this. And Nilesh, you can clarify this.
Sure.
Malavika, you've known Rinzing since childhood. Rinzing, you've known Malavika since childhood.
Yeah.
Both of you are very smart looking people, intelligent people, good looking people. Did you ever have a crush on each other or not? Malavika.
Not a crush. I've never had a crush on Rinzing because I know him since childhood. I can't look at him in that light.
Right.
But
We've known each other since
Why?
we were
ये क्या हुआ यार?
We've known each other since we were like kids. Her first cousin, I literally have a photo with her first cousin standing like this with a red balloon in white Jamnabai shorts from parade day or school day or whatnot. Literally, it's just me and him standing like this. So I've known them since like we were toddlers. So there's no.
Are, kya,
you will
Nilesh,
see some great chemistry on screen though, but off screen, we're very close friends.
Okay, now I'm going to do this last quickie. So, Rinzing, put the AC, brother. It's getting very hot in here, baby.
Hey, बहुत ठंडा है. My nose is starting to run.
I just turn the AC off.
Rinzing, what comes to your mind when I say Tiger Shroff?
Brother.
Varun Dhawan.
I haven't had too many interactions with him, but again, whenever we interact, he's always nice. He's amazing, and I love his work.
Disha Patni.
She's also amazing. I might meet her for dinner later on tomorrow.
Please tell her that I am more good looking than Tiger and to think about me more. Tell her I said that.
You're talking
Hello,
about
he said that.
You're talking about my brother, so I'm gonna have to come for you, bro.
Malavika, one film you believe you really want to do and one actor you really want to work with. A film which has been done and you said, boss, when I see this on screen, I wish I was a part of it. And one actor you really want to be opposite.
So from the last few years, the film I really enjoyed watching was Razi. It's a woman-centric film again. I think Alia's role was very good in the movie. And I've always been a Ranbir Kapoor fan, and I would love to work with him someday.
On that note, thank you, Team Squad. Rinzing, my brother, always got your back. Heard so much about you. They all say you're a really nice guy, and I hope you always be the nice guy. But keep kicking some ass on the movies. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for our brother Rinzing. Come on, come on. And Malavika, I'm sure you're going to enjoy your journey and how we wish you the very best always. Talia, Malavika,
Thank you.
and the eternal stud boy Nilesh.
Yes, my brother.
Keep the confidence high always, man. It gives us a lot of power from within.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मेरे साथ सब लोग बोलो अंगार.
Angare. Gana है actually हमारी picture का, which I'll send it to you before anyone else. You love it.
Angar is my takya kalam, which means the fire from within. Thank
Yes.
you so much, Team Squad.
Thank you.